Watch this.
Oh, what the heck?
Dude, check this shit out.
Tires are warming up, they're sticking. This is the Handicap Olympics of 124s, brought to you by Rocky Mountain IRC.
Handicapped by medication.
Medication is legal, totally legal.
Oh, little help, little help.
Not gonna happen. You don't help your opponent.
Oh, he came for me.